Hello, खुलुमबाय जों माबा मोनसे लामाजों फैदों आरो in fact हाग्रानि माबा माबि रोगाग्रासो खोमालै बे लामाया जों मिन्थिफेरा नै ज' फेमिलि लामाखौ मोजाङै मिथिया
and sister.
Okay. Sister also.
In there.
Okay. Now we have to go back, but we couldn't find a place to, like turn our vehicle.
Yeah, but the road is so small.
Yeah.
Like we're in the
It's fully
jungle.
jungle road.
Yeah. But it is so small that there's so many leaves.
Okay.
And then we are going straight to find a way to go back.
Okay.
But the sun is setting. Do you see that? The sun is setting in the west. So,
Abhay, there is no place to turn back now.
yeah, but
Where are we going to turn back the car?
I think we should drive backward.
We have to drive backward,
Yeah.
or we'll do the jungle clearing
Drive
to turn the vehicle.
Drive backward.
No.
Yes, you know how to drive backward because you are
Yeah,
better.
we can do here. There is a space out there, I think.
I want to eat that.
क्या है ये मैदर की
Camel key.
No, I'm not telling that. I'm
Dinosaur.
I said that I wanted to eat that red thing, that small red thing.
Hey, that is not edible. Bekarsin so man.
Can you drive backward?
Yeah.
Hello everyone, we have a show.
Lamen bekarsin so bhai. From bad to worse. This is the first time we came through this jungle road,
But it is.
unexplored. In fact, for us, but other people might have come. I don't know. It's after crossing the Baokhungri hill. We have to cross it, and this is opposite side of the Baokhungri hill.
We are taking photo session.
Yeah, we were taking photo session.
But we have a little bit of problem of turning our car.
Yeah.
We have a little bit problem of turning our car.
So we'll just turn and go back, I think.
Yeah, but I think
We'll turn.